I'm heading over to Santa Barbara for a weekend getaway with my girlfriend, so I'm packing and I'm so excited because I'm finally carrying this purse that I got during Christmas. I got this as like a summer vacation purse. I thought it would go well with Santa Barbara. It is actually pretty spacious. I have my blue elephant sunglasses I got during my trip in Korea. My phone fits in there, my wallet. I have like this phone stand that I like when I'm vlogging. And my quick makeup bag, I like to carry this Bobbi Brown like concealer and my Dior lipstick. And here it is. It's so cute. It's definitely a little too summery for now. I feel like it's like March right now, but I think I'm gonna carry it to Santa Barbara. I'm gonna finish packing and then I'll be taking you guys with me when I can during my Santa Barbara trip. So see you guys there. At the Monte Hotel in Santa Barbara. We don't have a beach view, but we are excited to be here and hopefully I get to show you guys around. We don't have much planned other than beach yoga in the morning. It is complimentary to the hotel, so we'll probably check that out. We have a dinner reservation, that's about it. So we'll be kind of just venturing out, try to look for places that we want to visit, and I'll be taking you guys with me through my visit here in Santa Barbara. It smells so good. I'm so proud of my candle. We did a candle making workshop in Santa Barbara. We did a weekend getaway with my girlfriends. It was for one of their birthdays, and yeah, it was so much fun, but I am a little tired because we were just talking all night. But yeah, we ate so well. So I totally recommend all the places we checked out, and I'll try my best to have all the information throughout the video. And we did a candle making workshop. It was like super spontaneous. We were just walking down the street. We found a candle making workshop, and then we just kind of did a walk-in and they took us in. There happened to be 3 seats, and it was seriously so cute. It was so much fun, and I definitely recommend you guys checking it out if you are in Santa Barbara. And I'll try to link her information as well for the candle making workshop. And yeah, I can't wait to light it up. And today I am in my workspace. I'm going to do some trial and error for a pattern that I really wanted to try. I need to design the pattern, and then hopefully I can cut it out and it'll look good. So I'll probably walk you guys through that design process, and then hopefully I come out with something. So that's what I'll be working on today.